Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, AI trends in 2025. What's shaping the future? The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence are creating a huge shift in how we work, live, and interact. But what exactly is shaping the AI landscape for 2025, and why should we be paying attention? First up, let's talk about autonomous systems. By 2025, we'll see AI playing an even bigger role in automation, from self-driving vehicles to autonomous drones. Companies are investing in AI-powered solutions to reduce human error and increase efficiency. In industries like logistics, healthcare, and even agriculture, autonomous systems are making big waves. Why is this important? Because autonomy will allow businesses to cut costs, improve productivity, and unlock new capabilities that were once thought impossible. Next, we have AI in healthcare. By 2025, AI will be more deeply integrated into the healthcare sector. We're talking personalized treatment plans, early disease detection through predictive algorithms, and even AI-powered surgeries. Machine learning models are being trained to detect illnesses earlier than ever before, sometimes even before symptoms show up. Why is this important? AI in healthcare could save millions of lives and help us fight global health challenges with data-driven precision. Early diagnosis and more effective treatments are key to improving health outcomes worldwide. Moving on to natural language processing, or NLP. By 2025, we're going to see huge strides in AI's ability to understand and generate human language. We're already seeing it with virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, but by 2025, expect to see more advanced AI that can hold nuanced conversations, understand context, and even create content, like AI that writes articles, stories, or music. Why is this important? NLP will make our interactions with AI more seamless and natural. It's going to transform customer service, content creation, and even how we interact with machines every day. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI evolves, so does the need for strong ethical guidelines. By 2025, expect more conversations around AI ethics and regulations. Governments and organizations will need to ensure that AI is being used responsibly, without bias, discrimination, or harmful outcomes. This includes how data is collected, how AI decisions are made, and how transparent the systems are. Why is this important? Ensuring that AI is used ethically is essential for maintaining trust in these technologies. As AI becomes more integrated into everyday life, the focus on regulation will ensure that we avoid unintended consequences. AI is also making waves in the creative world. From AI-generated art to music and even movies, AI is being used as a tool for artists, musicians, and filmmakers to explore new creative horizons. In fact, by 2025, we may see AI becoming a regular collaborator in artistic projects. Why is this important? AI is not replacing human creativity, it's enhancing it. As a creative tool, AI can push the boundaries of what we thought was possible, leading to new forms of art, music, and entertainment. So, to sum it up, AI in 2025 is all about autonomy, healthcare, innovation, language, processing, ethical guidelines, and creative collaboration. These trends are shaping the future of AI and will redefine what's possible in both our professional and personal lives. Why should we care? Because AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's becoming an integral part of our world. The advancements we're seeing today are just the beginning, and the choices we make now will determine how AI impacts our future. If you're as excited about the future of AI as I am, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more AI news and trends, and let me know in the comments which AI trend you think will have the biggest impact in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.